So while border tension continues at the line of actual control, India strongly raising its disapproval to China after reports of Chinese tech firms snooping over 10,000 prominent Indians. India has raised this issue with the Chinese envoy in India and has set up a special cyber security panel now to study reports of Chinese snooping. Shenzhen-based Shenhua, with close links with Chinese Communist Party, is being accused of snooping on famous Indian personalities. Amid the snooping scandal by China, even the US has charged 5 Chinese nationals with hacking over 100 companies and institutions across the world. These charges include hacking Indian government networks, stealing valuable software data and business intelligence. Our Foreign Affairs editor Geeta Mohan is now joining me live on the same. Geeta, this is big. And possibly, are these just political Indian personalities? Is this a range that widens to other industries as well? What are you picking up and the response from the Indian government?
Well, the information that we have with regards to the names that number to around 10,000 or more range from not just politicians, range from politicians to all major influences in the country, which could mean people from the art and film community, from the business community, whoever is an influencer and has an influence on decision making, or for that matter, influencing the public here in India, were under the radar. And to that effect, India has raised concerns with the Chinese envoy yesterday. Ambassador Sun Weidong was called in to raise concerns. We do not know whether if it happened virtually or physically, but certainly a protest was lodged with regards to concerns that India has. But the Chinese side continues to maintain the narrative that it always has, that there has been no spying, there has been no snooping, and Shenhua says that they're only into data mobilization, not into data mining. Having said that, a committee has been formed and they will be studying the spying case, the data leak case, and will be preparing a report within 30 days for the government to assess the situation of what China really is involved in and how much of exposure have these personalities had with the Chinese administration.
Thank you so much, Geeta, for tracking all the latest. So Chinese envoy also has been sent a strong disapproval over the same. Geeta Mohan with all the latest.